Hello, I'm Dominic, and in this short film I'm going to introduce you to Fusion. It's our new graphical software that you can use to create and deploy interactive voice response services really quickly and easily. It represents services in a flowchart format, using nodes to represent functions. Node parameters specify how the function is to be performed, and links drawn between the nodes define exactly how your call script should flow. This is the Fusion interface. It's divided into three main areas: the toolbox, the drawing page, and the node property editor. The Fusion Node Toolbox contains all the nodes that you would need to use when constructing your voice service. They are stored in categories to allow you to access the node you require quickly and easily. The main drawing area is where you assemble your voice service. The nodes are simply dragged from the toolbox and dropped onto the drawing page. Then the links drawn between the nodes. The node property editor is where the parameters for a particular node are specified. I think the best way to introduce you to Fusion would be to create a new script from scratch. I'll create a really simple one and then build on it in subsequent videos. So for this example, I'm just going to create a script that answers the call, plays a prompt, and hangs up. The first thing I need to do is to drop a start node onto my page, then a play node, and finally a script end. There. Now all I need to do is link them together. Next, I need to specify the prompt that I want the play node to play. So I select the play node. The play node parameters are displayed in the node property editor. The parameter in red is mandatory. It's simply asking to be told what file do you want me to play. So let's specify a file name. Let's call it welcome.wav. Okay, now I need to create the welcome wav prompt file that I've just configured the play node to play. I need to go into the prompt management screen, select the file name I entered a few moments ago, and well, if I already had the prompt file recorded, I could press this upload button, navigate to a pre-recorded file on my local machine or network drive, and upload it from there. But I haven't. We're doing this from scratch in real time, so the prompt doesn't actually exist yet. At the moment, all we've got is this label, welcome.wav. So let's define the actual contents of the prompt. Let's go for, hello, this is a Fusion script. Goodbye. Okay, so there's the text. Now to create the file. I could create the file by clicking this button here, the call me button. That would trigger an out dial to a telephone I've got next to me, and I could record that prompt, hello, this is a Fusion script, goodbye, over a telephone interface. But rather than do that, I'll show you the text-to-speech method. I just click on the text-to-speech button here. I can play the file locally.
This is a Fusion script. Goodbye.
Sounds fine to me. I'll render and upload that to Fusion. That's it. It's done. Okay, so that's the prompt done. The final step is to deploy the script by pressing this button here, the deploy button. And now the Fusion server takes over and creates all the code required and copies the prompts into the required places. And the script is now ready for calling. So I've got my phone here, putting a call through.
Hello, this is a Fusion script. Goodbye.
And that's it. It really is that simple. To see more features of Fusion, please continue to watch the other videos in this series. Well, that's the end of this short introduction to Fusion. I hope you like the look of it, and feel free to watch the other videos in this series where we create some more complex scripts. If you have any questions or queries, please do get in touch. Bye bye for now.